Hi, welcome back to the Frugal Homestead. I'm Missy, and today I'm going to show you how we make our homemade liquid laundry detergent. So we were getting to where we were buying 4 bottles, I would guess, a month of some of the cheaper laundry detergents, and we were paying up to anywhere from $20 to $24 a month for laundry detergent. So we found this recipe and started making it, and we're gonna guess it's about 40 cents a gallon. So that is a big difference because I probably only go through 4 gallons a month. So now I'm down to like $2 $2 a month for my laundry detergent. Another thing is we didn't want all those extra things that they put in the detergents in the stores. So this way we knew it was nice, simple, we knew what was in it, and it actually only takes 3 ingredients. I lied, it takes 4 ingredients because you also have a gallon of water that goes in it. So let's get started on the ingredients. First ingredient is borax. Borax helps to neutralize the odors and remove stains. So borax. You also use Arm & Hammer super washing soda. That is way different than baking soda. It's made differently, just so you know. This also deodorizes, cleans, and helps to brighten your clothes. Third thing is Dawn dish soap. We're going to use Dawn. It helps to cut the grease, also helps with deodorizing, and just does a great cleaning job. And then obviously the water. Alright, so let's get started. Have about a quarter of an amount of water in there, hot water. Put my funnel in here. I'm going to use a half a cup of borax. And just kind of slowly add it in there. You don't want it to clump up on you in the bottom. A third of the cup of the super washing soda. I find the funnel helps a lot because then I don't make a mess on the table as bad as I normally do. We're not going to add our Dawn dish soap yet. We're just going to swirl this around until we can get it to dissolve some. You might want to add your lid on just to make sure that you don't get it everywhere. Now this is going to seem like it's a little bit thinner. It's not going to be as thick as your store-bought stuff, but trust me, it will do the job. Almost got it. Sometimes it takes a little bit to get this to dissolve, but just keep stirring it a little bit. Try not to shake it up and down so that it don't get all bubbly on you. There we go. I think I got it about done. We are going to add 3 tablespoons of Dawn dish soap. I try and get in the middle so that all my soap isn't in the funnel. I'm going to put our lid back on it and just swirl it around a little bit to get the dish soap mixed in. Now, if you wanted to, you could add some fragrance to it if you want to, have more of a fragrance. We don't like the perfumey stuff in ours, so we don't add it. Or you could add just a little bit of fabric softener. I make a really good homemade fabric softener, and we'll be doing a video of that later. Alright, looks pretty mixed up. I'm going to go fill the rest of this up with just cold water and just kind of swirl it around again, trying not to make it bubble up over it. I'll be right back. Alright, so I went over to the sink and I filled it up with cold water, and then I just took it and just gently mixed it in. Make sure that whenever you're putting the water in it, that I tilt mine to the side and let it slowly go down in. I don't turn my faucet fully on. That way it doesn't bubble up and foam over. And then you just put your cap on it, mix it up well. You'll need to mix it up every time you go to do laundry. So just right before you get ready to put it in, just, turn it over a couple times. You are going to want to use 1/2 to 2/3 of a cup of this for each load. So if you got a bigger load or, a little bit slightly more soiled load, then use a little bit more, but 1/2 cup to 2/3 is usually all we ever use. But there you have it. So I hope you've enjoyed our video. And I hope if you haven't already subscribed, that you go down and subscribe and hit that notification button so that you can see our upcoming videos when they come out. Thanks for watching, and thanks for joining us here at the Frugal Homestead.